When sorrow casts its shadow, life can be difficult. It feels as though the world has turned grey and the light of joy is hidden behind dark clouds. We all face moments of sadness and despair. These moments can come unexpectedly, leaving us feeling vulnerable and exposed. These feelings can be overwhelming, like waves crashing over us, making it hard to breathe or think clearly. It's like a heavy weight on our hearts, pressing down with an almost unbearable force. We might feel lost and alone, wandering through life without direction or purpose. Where do we turn when we feel this way? How do we find the strength to keep moving forward? How do we find strength to go on? The answer lies in faith and hope. Faith is a beacon of hope. It shines brightly, guiding us through the darkest times. It reminds us that we are not alone. We are part of a larger community, bound together by shared beliefs and mutual support. Allah is always with us. He understands our pain and our struggles. He is ready to guide us, to show us the way when we feel lost. Turning to Allah can bring comfort to our aching hearts. In His presence, we find peace and solace, knowing that we are never truly alone. Finding solace in Allah's embrace, we remember that Allah is the most compassionate, the most merciful. His words in the Quran guide us through the darkest times, illuminating our path with divine wisdom and love. He is closer to us than our own jugular vein, always present, always listening. In moments of despair, we can feel His presence within us, a comforting reminder of His eternal care. When sadness grips our hearts, we can find solace in His presence. Through prayer and supplication, we connect with Him, pouring out our worries and fears, and finding peace in His divine embrace. Remember that Allah loves us unconditionally. His love is a constant, unwavering force that surrounds us, even when we feel unworthy or lost. He's always there for us, no matter what. In times of joy and sorrow, His presence is a beacon of hope, guiding us through life's challenges. Knowing this brings a profound sense of peace. The tranquility of nature reflects the serenity we can find in our hearts when we trust in His plan. We are not alone in our struggles. Allah cares for us deeply, and He has placed people in our lives to support and uplift us. Together we can find strength and comfort. He wants to ease our pain. Just as rain nourishes the earth, His mercy and compassion nourish our souls, bringing relief and healing. Turn to Him with all your heart. In moments of prayer, we open ourselves to His infinite mercy, finding solace and strength in His divine presence. Seek comfort in His infinite mercy. Let His love and compassion wash over you, bringing peace to your heart and soul. The power of prayer and meditation is profound. It transcends the physical and touches the spiritual realm, offering solace and strength. Prayer is a powerful tool for healing. It is a moment of intimate connection with the divine, where we seek guidance and comfort. It is a direct line to Allah, a sacred communication that bridges the gap between the earthly and the heavenly. Through prayer, we pour out our hearts to Him. We express our deepest desires, our gratitude, and our need for His mercy. We share our pain, our fears, and our hopes. In these moments, we find solace, knowing that Allah is always listening. Allah listens to every word. He is aware of our struggles and our triumphs, and He responds with wisdom and compassion. He understands our deepest emotions. In His infinite wisdom, He provides us with the strength to overcome our challenges. Meditation allows us to connect with Allah on a deeper level. Find a quiet place, breathe deeply, let go of worldly distractions and focus on His presence. Reflect on Allah's names and attributes, contemplate His greatness and mercy, and let these reflections fill your heart with peace. This practice calms the mind and soothes the soul. It helps us to find clarity and purpose in our lives. It brings us closer to Allah's divine peace. In this state of tranquility, we can better understand His will and align our actions with His guidance. Stories of guidance and hope. The Quran and the stories of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, are filled with examples of Allah's guidance. These stories offer hope and inspiration. They remind us that even in the darkest of times, Allah is with us. Remember the story of Prophet Yunus Jonah. He faced immense challenges, yet Allah never abandoned him. Through hardship, Yunus found solace in prayer and trust in Allah. His story teaches us the importance of patience and reliance on Allah. Trusting in Allah's plan. As humans, we may not always understand Allah's plan. We may question why we face certain trials, but remember, Allah is the best of planners. He sees the bigger picture. He knows what is best for us. Trust in His infinite wisdom. Believe that even in difficulty there is a purpose. Our struggles are opportunities for growth and closeness to Allah. Embrace the journey, knowing that Allah is guiding you towards a brighter destination. Embracing a brighter tomorrow. The journey to inner peace is a process. There will be ups and downs, but know that with faith and trust in Allah, you can overcome any obstacle. Hold on to hope. Allah is always with you, guiding your heart towards healing and happiness. Turn to Him in prayer, seek solace in His words, and trust in His plan. Brighter days await those who believe. Let your faith be your compass, guiding you towards the peace and tranquility that only Allah can provide.